Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your computer teacher, Miss Farah Shaheen. Today, I will discuss with you month of December, unit number 9, Adobe Flash CS3. Students, let's start unit number 9, Adobe Flash CS3. First of all, you make a title page month of December and then after you start your work. Okay, let's start unit number 9, Adobe Flash CS3. Unit number 9, Adobe Flash CS3. Adobe Flash CS3 MS Office applications software used for creating animation, games, cartoon, text, graphics and other special effects. Students, focus on Adobe Flash CS3 unit number 9. You will learn about in this unit introduction, starting Adobe Flash CS3, creating a new Flash file, understanding the Flash interface, setting the size of saving and Flash file, opening a Flash file, existing Flash using Flash tools, grouping objects, timeline panel, frames, layers, what is frames, what is layer, symbols, library, creating instances, animation and testing a movie, shape tween animations, frame by frame animations. Now 9.1 introduction. First of all, we will learn introduction and then after starting Adobe Flash CS3. We will start Adobe Flash CS3. First of all, install or download from the Google your Adobe Flash CS3 in your computer and then after start options, choose the Adobe Flash CS3. Adobe Flash CS3 is the software used for creating animation, games, cartoon, text, graphics and special effects in your movies as well as your games and cartoons. You give animation in characters and different shapes. Starting Adobe Flash CS3. To start Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Students, if you focus on this unit, you will learn Professional Adobe CS3. Follow the given steps one by one and then after you will learn. Click Start button. Programs, click Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Your screen should look similar to the image shown below. You select the Adobe Flash CS3. Now creating a new Flash file. 9.3. To create a new Flash file, click the Flash file options. Flash is now ready to create your new documents. Your display should be similar to the one below. You see the open pop-up dialog box, timeline panel, tool panel and property, inspector and color platter work area. Now see the picture. Timeline panel. Here is the timeline panel. It shows in your left side and tools panel also shown in left side. Color platters shown on the right side and work area shown on the right side. Here the Flash CS3 interface has follow different types. Title bar, display the name of the open file. Here you should write and see the display name of the file. Menu bar gives the access to all the commands available in Flash. Stage is the white rectangle area. Here you see the rectangle area in white color. This is your work area. Light gray area around the stage, you can place the object here until you want them to appear on the stage. Here you see the gray area. You should use this area for your rough work. Property is used to organize the modified properties of the current section. The tool panel is used to choose the different tools. You know very well how to use the different tools, pencils, filter box, etc. 9.4 Setting the size of the stage. You will create a banner with the dimension 20 multiplied by 12 to set the stage to these dimensions, selecting modify documents. Pop-up dialog box shows the size of the documents. To display the documents properties dialog box as shown, the configure the title, descriptions and dimension text boxes as shown on the right side. The background color is set to white but could be changed your choice in this dialog box. Leave the frame and ruler and units at their default values. Click OK. You may need to use the scroll bars around the stage area to display your banner. Now setting the size of the stage, the dialog bar pop up and you choose the banner size in proper way, and then after saving the Flash file. Now you save the file and give the name your file and click the file menu save option. In the dialog box, specify the name of the file and click save. The Flash documents are saved with the extension FLA. You know very well the extension means, and the extension for Flash CS3 FLA. Opening a Flash file. To open a Flash file, click the file menu, open option, choose the required file and click the open button. Existing Flash. To exit Flash, click the file menu, close all option. Now your file is closed. Opening a Flash file, saving a Flash file, setting the size of stage. This all option explained by me. Page number 126. See the very carefully 9.4, 9.5, 9.6, 9.7. After this, using the Flash tools. Now here are the some tools. You know very well the options that are given on pop-up dialog box. Line tools. Line tools is used to draw the line on the stage. To draw a line, follow the given steps. Click line tool. Change the stock color, stock style, stock height from the property and drag the mouse on the stage to draw. Remember to draw a line at 45 degrees centimeter. Hold down the shift key while the dragging. Pencil tool. Pencil tools is used to draw free from the lines. The pencil tool has three possible modes: smooth, straight, and ink. To draw a free line, follow the given steps. Click pencil tool. Select any option from the pencil mode. For example, smooth. Drag the mouse on the stage and draw it. Free option lines. Rectangle tools. Rectangle tools is used to draw rectangles. To draw a rectangle, follow the given steps. Click rectangle tool. Page number 127. I finished 9.8. All the dialog box pop up on the page number 127. Read the carefully using the flash tools and then after apply on your computer. Change the stroke color, stroke style and fill the color from the property. Drag the mouse on the stage to draw. You see the shape draw on the pop-up dialog box in green color. Remember, you can also draw the other shapes like oval, star, rectangle, etc. Click the small arrow on the rectangle tools and choose the new tool, brush tool. Brush tool is used to draw the thick lines. To use the brush tool, follow given steps. Click brush tool, select the brush size and brush shape from the tool panel. The pop-up box shows the how to apply the brush tool. Paint buckets tool. Paint bucket tools is used to fill the object with color. Use the paint bucket tool. Follow the given step. Draw the shape and click paint bucket tool. Choose a color from the property and click on the shape you want to fill. The color fill the shape. Now students, switch on the page number 29. Here some colors are shown on the picture. Erase the tools. Erase the tools is used to erase anything. Draw on the stage to erase, to rub, to delete anything else. Follow the given step. Click on the erase tool. Drag the mouse over the image you want to remove. Erase. Text tool is used to type the text on the stage. To add the text, follow the given step. If you want to write on your banner something, you choose the text. To add the text, click the text tool. Change the font size and text color from the property. Click on the stage and type your text. Selection tool. Selection tool is used to select anything. Draw on the banner. There are two commonly used selection tools in Flash. Selection pointer tool. Select the rectangular shape area, and lasso tool. Selection irregular shaped areas of drawing. Now here the page number 29 finish. We will learn here the erase tool, text tool and selection option tool. Let's move next page. Selection by pointer tool. Free transform tool. Free transform tool is used to scale, rotate any shape or object in Flash. It has 4 options: rotate and skew, scale, distort, envelope, etc. Use the free transfer tool. Follow the given steps. Now pop-up box. See the pop-up box. Rotate, skew, scale, distort and envelope. See all the 4 pictures on page number 139. Use the free transform tools. Follow the given steps. Select the object and click on the free transform tool. Choose the required option from the tools and click and drag the object to transform. 9.9 Grouping means for combine the basic shapes together as one. For example, to design a car, we use various shapes. However, all these objects need to be grouped as one for the complete car to be designed. To group object, to follow the given steps. Draw all the shapes and select all of them using the selection tools. Click on modify menus and click group. Use all the objects grouped as one as. To upgroup object, select an object and click modify menu and click ungroup. Timeline panel. Now here we finish group ungroup. Now move the timeline panel. 9.10 To design an animated movie, the timeline plays an important role in controls, file, content, save time. It is like the compiling all the details on the movie reel, sequencing the scene to be played. The timeline is made up the frame and layer. What is frame? One by one given the shots, that is called frame. Playhead indicates the current frame display on the stage. As the file plays, the playhead line move the left and right through the timeline. The pop-up dialog box shows the hide layer, unlock layer, playhead, frames, keyframes, timeline panel, current frame, delete layer, and insert layer. Frames control the period of the time of the movie. A flash movie is made of several frames. Flash frame has some content. These frames are displayed in the series to play the movie. A keyframe is the frame in which you define a change in the object for an animation. The change may be movies, resize, rotating, editing or deleting the object, inserting keyframe or frames. Now students, we have finished the explanation of framing, inserting keyframe or frames and deleting the frames. We will discuss in our next class. Now here you learn how to make a movie and frames, to deleting a frame, inserting keyframe and frames, and how to use Adobe Flash CS3's different options. The pop-up box you see. Remember, you can also right click on the required frame number and choose the insert frame and keyframe. We will learn deleting frame and inserting keyframe in our next class, layer and symbols, etc. Till then, Allah Hafiz. We will meet inshallah very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Students, Allah Hafiz.